In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your WhatsApp backup data on Google Drive. Managing your WhatsApp backups can be crucial, especially if you need to free up space or ensure that your important chats are securely stored. In this quick and straightforward guide, we'll walk you through accessing and managing these backups with ease. First, let's start by navigating to your Google Drive's main interface. You'll want to ensure that you're logged into the Google account that you use with WhatsApp. Once you're in, locate the left-hand panel where you'll see various options like My Drive, Computers, and more. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Storage. Go ahead and click on that. This section of Google Drive gives you an overview of how your storage is being used, allowing you to see a brief summary of the files and backups occupying space. After clicking on Storage, take a moment to look for the option labeled Backups. This can be typically found on the top right hand side of your storage page. By selecting Backups, you're delving deeper into the reserved area that stores backup data for various apps, including WhatsApp. It's worth mentioning that this section might display other app backups as well, so don't be startled if you see a list of various services. Now once you're in the Backups section, you should see a list that includes your WhatsApp backups. These backups are what WhatsApp uses to store your chat data, including messages and sometimes media, depending on how you've set it in your WhatsApp settings. Each entry should be clearly labeled, so scroll through until you find the backup associated with WhatsApp. Clicking on it will give you more details like the size of the backup and the last time it was updated. It's essential to remember that while you can view and delete your WhatsApp backups from Google Drive, you can't directly access the contents of these backups through Drive itself. If you decide that you no longer need a certain backup, you can easily remove it to free up some valuable storage space on your Google account. However, be cautious. Once a backup is deleted, those conversations will be permanently lost and can't be recovered unless you have another copy. Preserving your updates is important, but maintaining storage space is just as crucial. So, regularly checking your backups and managing them according to your needs can keep your Google Drive neat and your data efficiently stored. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can readily view and manage your WhatsApp backups on Google Drive. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes managing your backups a bit easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more insightful guides. See you next time.